Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about multi-threading in Java. It is very important topic in Unit 3. What is multi-threading? Multi-threading is nothing but executing multiple threads simultaneously. Here we are going to see about two programs. First one is how to create a thread using by extending thread class method. Second one is creating multiple threads by extending thread class method. These two programs are Java programs we are going to see about in this session. In this program, we are going to see about how to create a thread by using extending thread class. Here lang package is used. Here thread class is presented in the lang package. So we are using lang package here. My thread is nothing but it is a class name, derived class name. Already we know about that. Class name should start with capital letter. M is here capital letter. Extends is nothing but it is a keyword to derive a class. Here thread is base class which is predefined base class. Next one, body of the thread class, my thread class. So public void run. Run is nothing but it is a method. One type of method already we predefined in the thread class. So we are overriding the method here. Loop of the body of the run method is for int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, then I plus plus. We are initializing the number 0 and we are setting the condition and we are incrementing. In the body of the loop, we are printing a child thread message for 10 times. Okay, next one, we are creating another class that is test. This is the main class of the program. Next one, public static void main function. We are using the main function. In the body of the main function, we are creating an object. Object name is T. My thread is class name, that is derived class name. Then T is object name. Here new my thread. We are allocating memory to the variable. Next one, T dot start. T dot start is it is a method. When we use T dot start, it is automatically called run method. Run method, what we are using in the run method? Just printing the child thread message for 10 times. Next one, for loop. For loop la enna pannirkeenga? We are printing a main thread message for 10 times. What message is here? Main thread message is used. Next one, what is the output of this program? What is the output of this program is where it is we used main function here, public static void main, then what we are used T dot, we are creating an object and calling the start method. Whenever we use start method, automatically run method is called. Then run method, what we are used? We are overriding the run method. What we are used? In the body of the run method, we are printing the child thread message for 10 times. What is the output? First output, child thread message is 10 times printed for 10 times. Next one, for int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, system.out.println main thread. We are printing main thread for 10 times. Output is child thread message is printed 10 times. Next one, main thread message is printed 10 times. We are using the method as by extending thread class. In this program, we are creating multiple threads in separate class. Here we are creating 3 threads, thread A, thread B and thread C. 3 threads created. Then these are thread A is derived class name, then thread is base class name which is predefined base class. Then thread A is user defined class name. Okay, user defined class name, it is a derived class. Extends keyword is used to derive a class from the base class. Okay, next one, public void run. Run is a method which is already defined in the thread class. Here we are overriding the run method for thread A class. What we are using in the body of the run method? Body of the run method, we are just printing first 5 numbers into 2. First initialization we are what did? I is equal to 1. Then what is the condition? I less than or equal to 5. Next one, incrementation is I plus plus. What is we are printing? 2 into star I. Starting what is 1. 1 into 2 into 1 is, first number is 1 we are printing. Next one, we are incremented into 1. So I is equal to 2. The condition is true. I less than or equal to 5. The condition is true. Then 2 into 2 is, number is 2 into 2 is 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Next 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 5 is condition. Until the condition will satisfy our requirement, we have to increment it into 1. First one is incremented into I is 2, then I is 3, I is 4, I is 5. The answer is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. System.out.println, after printing all these, we are exit from the class thread A. Next one, we are creating another thread B. Extends keyword is used. Thread as base class name. We are overriding the run method here. What we are using? Thread B. In thread B, we are printing first 5 odd numbers. First 5 odd numbers. Starting 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. Second one, J is incremented to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Similarly, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Similarly, we are printing first 5 odd numbers. Next one, after printing the first 5 odd numbers, we are exit from the thread B class. Next one, we are creating another thread is thread C. What we are printing in the thread C? We are just multiply into 1. Multiply into 3. What is? K is equal to 1. K is less than or equal to 5. K plus plus. First is K value is 1. Sorry, my K put 3 into K. K value is 1. 3 into K is 3 first number. Next one, 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 5 is 15. So these 5 numbers will be printed in this output system.out.println. Next, after printing this line, we are exiting from the thread C. In this program, we created 3 threads, thread A, thread B and thread C. Here we are using a class name. This is the main class name, multi-thread function. Then main function we are using, we are creating objects to thread A, thread B and thread C. For thread A, we are creating an object name is T1. Then new thread A, we are allocating memory to that object. We are allocating memory to that T1 object. Next one, we are creating an object T2 for thread B class. Thread B class is nothing but it is user defined derived class name. Thread C is user defined derived class name. T3 is object name. Then next one is T1 dot start. Whenever start method is used, we are automatically calling the run method. In run method, what we are using T1 dot start means T1 object is created to thread A class. So in thread A class, run method, what we are using is we are printing the number into 2. Printing a number which is multiplied by 2 in the run method. Next one, T2 dot start. T2 dot start means it is automatically called the run method particular thread B class. Thread B class run method is automatically called. Thread B class, what we use? We are printing first 5 odd numbers. Next one, T3 dot start. It is automatically called run method which is used in the thread C class. Thread C class, what we are used, run method, what we are used is we are multiplying a number which is multiplying by 3. So 1 and 2, 3 for 5 times. Next one, what is the output of this program? Is thread A, thread B, thread C. Thread C, totally we are using 3 threads. Output is thread A is I is equal to 2, first one, then J is equal to 1. For first one we are multiplying by 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. Next one we are printing first 5 odd numbers J. So J for odd number is 1. Next one is we are multiplying a number into 3. So first one is 3. Next one even multiply by 2. So 2 into 2, 2. 4. Next one, next odd number is 3. Similarly, we are printing first 5 numbers, then exiting the thread A and thread B and thread C.